Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare copper versus Oden. We'll delve into the unique characteristics of these two very different entities. Copper, a versatile metal, plays a crucial role in technology and industry, while Oden, a beloved Japanese dish, offers warmth and comfort. We'll examine their core properties, uses, and cultural significance, highlighting just how distinct their contributions are to our daily lives. Get ready for an intriguing look at these fascinating subjects. Let's first explore copper, a truly remarkable metal. Known for its distinctive reddish-orange hue, copper is an outstanding conductor of both electricity and heat, making it indispensable in wiring and plumbing. Its malleability allows it to be drawn into thin wires or hammered into various shapes without breaking. With an atomic number of 29, this durable element has been utilized by humans for thousands of years, from ancient tools to modern electronics, showcasing its enduring versatility and importance. Now, let's turn our attention to Oden, a delightful and comforting Japanese stew. This traditional dish features an assortment of ingredients, such as boiled eggs, daikon radish, and various fish cakes, all gently simmered in a flavorful dashi broth. The slow cooking process allows each component to absorb the rich, savory liquid, creating a harmonious blend of textures and tastes. Oden is especially popular during the cooler seasons, offering a warm and satisfying meal that embodies Japanese culinary tradition. So, what have we learned from comparing copper and Oden? Essentially, we've explored two vastly different entities. Copper is a foundational metallic element, crucial for technology and infrastructure, valued for its physical properties. Oden, on the other hand, is a delicious, intricate food dish, celebrated for its flavors and cultural significance. One is a building block of our physical world, while the other is a cherished part of our culinary heritage, each playing an irreplaceable, yet entirely distinct, role in human experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.